Welcome back viewers. In today's tutorial we will see how to write a logic in structured text for this program. In this program uh, I have two input and four outputs, that is I1 and I2 input, and Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are outputs, and this is the logic. Please pause the video and read the logic, and a table is also given for the same. So let's build a logic for this. Let's open Codesys we were working on since two tutorial. So I will create a separate function block for this program. To create FB, click on add object. We already discussed about creating function block in last tutorial. If you haven't watched that tutorial, I recommend you to watch that second tutorial. The link is given in below comment section. Give the name to the function block. I will give FB underscore motor control. Let's declare variable for the program. This will be my input 1, input 1 colon, the data type will be boolean. This will be input 2 colon, data type will be boolean, and semicolon, press enter. I capital. Same declare output variable as well. Output 1 colon, data type will be bool, semicolon, press enter. Copy paste this, control C, control V. This will be my output 2. Again we need 4 output variables. Again copy this and paste it over here. This will be my output 3. This will be my output 3, and this will be my output 4. And here is our program. Here is our logic. My input, when both inputs are false, then Q1 is true, in this case output 1. So you can write here output 1. To populate the list of the variables, you can press Ctrl plus space. You will pop up with the output. My output 1 is true when both input are false, not input 1 and not input 2. Not input 2. Give semicolon. copy paste this, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. This will be for my output 2, this is my output 3, and this is my output 4. For output 2 is I1 not input and input 2 when input 2 is 2. So I will remove not from here. For output 3 input 1, so I will remove from not here. When for output 3 when input 1 is true and input 2 is not true. For output 4 when both inputs are true, so I will remove the not operator from here. So our FB is ready now. This is our program. Now we will call this FB in main PLC PRG. First of all, we will create the instance variable for this. Instance of function block motor control, FB underscore motor control colon, the type will be FB motor control, FB underscore motor control. C is capital here and use semicolon. Now we have created our FB instance of FB motor control. Here press F2, local variables. You can select the instantaneous FB lamp from here, click on OK. Now you have to assign the actual parameter to the instance function block of the FB motor control. This we will create two variables. We will change this variable name because both variables are different. We will give m underscore input 1, m underscore input 2. For output as well, we will attach the prefix m underscore. m underscore sorry, the first output 1 and output 2 will be same. We are changing the variables required for the second function block which we created just now. M underscore here again m underscore. In this program, these are the actual input output parameters and these are the dummy parameters, local parameter you can say. Actually we have chosen the wrong function block. Actually we have to choose for FB motor control. F2, press F2. This we have to choose. Click OK. For input 1 is copy paste this variables. Control C. Input is 1. This is input 2. This is my output 1. This is my output 2. This is output 3. Cancel. We forgot to rename this. Output 3 and output 4. This is my output 3 and this is my output 4. Let's build the project. So there are no errors, and we will simulate this program. Online login, online run. Here is our logic, and this is my FB motor control internal block. Initially my both inputs are false. Then my output 1 should be true. Now I will force the both input M input 1 and M input 2. When I force the both input to true, my output 4 should be true. Go to online. Write values. Here you can see my output 4 is true. Now I will change input 1 to true and input 2 is false. My Q3 should be true. Sorry, actually this is our input 1 we are looking for, M input 1. I will force it to false. You can see here for this condition my input 2 is true and input 1 is false. Input 1 is false, then my Q2 is turn on. Here you can see my output 2 is turned on. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. In next tutorial series we will visualize this function block as well, so stay tuned, enjoy this tutorial series, stay home, stay safe.